passionate. I work hard to win it, pop it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch you.
Hi loves, welcome back to the channel. So I made this curly beauty using Annabelle hair, and this is the curly hair. I have a 4x4 frontal, and then I just have the bundles hot glued, and yes, this is hot glued, and it looks really good. The curls are already defined, but I'm going to show you how I would do it on a daily basis, and just get some of those little parts in the front after plucking that may not be, you know, as defined. So I'm going to install. Okay, so the closure is 20, not 24. The closure is 18 inches, and then I have a 20, 22, and 24 inch bundle in. So 3 bundles in total, and I actually did use 3 bundles, which I rarely use 3 bundles on a unit. So I was kind of shocked by that. So I'm going to talk a little bit about this. I'm going to hang her up right here on the camera. And then, so the usual, some got to be, and it's just a 4x4, so just this area right here. And you probably see like a bunch going on because I tried on, like, I applied 4 wigs today. So yeah, that's why all that's going on. So then you want to take some got to be, 1 layer, 2 layer, and this is, I'm gonna probably just do this one install because I don't think I want to reinstall it tomorrow morning. So yeah, this is gonna be an overnight thing. And yeah, I just want to show you how easy, you know, application can last overnight. So once you let that dry, if you really want it to last like a long time, like Khadijah be doing, y'all, blow dry it and let it dry. But for the most part, I don't be doing all that. I just let it air dry, do something else, check my phone. You know, if it's in the morning or whatever, I'll just brush my teeth or throw on the outfit that I'm wearing. You know, just do something to kill time and let it air dry. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit here. I'm gonna take the sponge applicator and try to get some product on there. And I hate doing this when I'm wearing light colors. So I'm just going to take that and rub it under here. And the reason I like using a darker one is because if you use a light one, it tends to kind of not show up as much. But this one, as you can see, is kind of tinted and it's looking like my skin tone. So I like that about it. I'm still going to do some on top, but just wanted to get some at the bottom because I didn't bleach the knots. Just sit it on. Gonna flip it up under a little bit because I want to make sure no hair is left underneath. Then I'm gonna pull, hold it here, now I'm just securing the comb in the back. I'm just going to, it's already sticking. Just trying to make sure it's flat. So at first when I saw this, I was like, this definitely looks like kinky curly, but it just said curly on the thing. I know y'all probably looking at my head like, girl. But yeah, this is one of the units that I definitely overplucked. But as you can see, it doesn't look too bad. But we are going to take a closer look and make sure it's flat. I'm going to take that same powder and like a flat makeup brush and eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to go over top of that part. And like pat it in. Take some water. You can also use water mixed with aloe vera, which is a great mixture. As you can see, the water just gave it like a nice shine, even though it wasn't bad, but the water just gave it a different feel. So tames it down a little bit. I like to saturate. Like, water don't hurt nothing, y'all. That's a lie. It do hurt some stuff, but y'all know what I mean. Curly hair, water loves it. Or curly hair loves water, I should say. So then my favorite lately for curly hair has been this Marc Anthony True Professionals Strictly Curls. And it's a 7-in-1 leave-in foam treatment, and it defrizzes, defines, moisturizes, detangles, smooths, softens, and shines. No parabens or sulfates, so no SLS either. It's like a mousse, but doesn't give you quite that consistency. A little goes a long way. So you see, just take it, and I've showed you this before. It's a really simple process to get some popping curls. So I'm gonna take it in from the bottom, and you can do like this method, or you can just finger run it through with your fingers like I do. So yeah, this was my install and curl definition video for Annabelle's curly hair. Again, this reminded me of Kinky Curly, but it's definitely, I'm sitting down and it's touching my thigh. Crazy. But it's definitely, it feels like an in-between, because it still has the, you know, the kinkiness of Kinky Curly, but the softness of curly, if that makes sense. I don't know. I don't know. But look at these curls, like, girl, that's pretty. So yes, that's my 24-inch curly from Annabelle hair. Hope you guys enjoyed. Easy install. Gonna keep this overnight. How you go to sleep, just put a scarf on. What I like to do is set a scarf on, tie it in the back, bring it around the front, and yeah. Let me see who that is. Okay. And yeah, if it's like body wave or something, just twist it up. But if it's curly, honestly, you don't need to do nothing to it. You can twist it up if you want, but I mean, or put it under a bonnet. But honestly, you wake up the next day, refresh your curls with the water and a curly hair product, and you'll be good. So thank you guys for joining, and thank you Annabelle for sending me this curly hair. I love it so much, and I wouldn't say it's completely tangle free because it's curly, but it definitely is not shedding so far.